Okay, my friends, so I am a junior Instagram user, and this is how I was able to figure out IGTV. I first had to log out of my accounts. So you go to this 3-bar thing up here, go to the very bottom, and then log out of all accounts, okay? Then you will sign back in to your account, and then you'll search for IGTV. Once you find IGTV, I'll show you what pops up. IGTV. You hit search. Go there, and then you can watch. It'll say update your app, right? And then you'll look for this little TV mark at the top of your account. So when you go back to home. It'll show the little TV up there, and then what it'll do, it'll prompt you to there's you right there. Click your little circle, and it'll say no videos yet, but would you like to upload a video? So first what I did is it's actually when I first pushed it, it said create a channel. So you create your channel. Then you go back to the home, and then you can push the TV and then push upload a video. So but get ready to do that now. You can go to Wendy's Happy Books and find me there. Thanks.